Welcome to the online classes. Now we are discussing in the previous lecture we have discussed basic history of a light. Now we are discussing the topic of reflection of light. In the previous lecture we have discussed that light is an electromagnetic waves and this contains the wavelength of 400 nanometer to 800 nanometer approx. But now we have to discussing the reflection of light, the process of sending back the light ray which falls on the surface of an object is called reflection of light. What is the definition says? Definition simply says we have a reflecting surface. This is our reflecting surface. This is our reflecting surface. This is our reflecting surface. It means this is a reflecting surface. Reflecting surface. If any light is false, this is the light ray. This is the light ray. This is the light. If any light ray is falling on the reflecting surface and this light is bouncing back in the same medium, if this is a medium 1, this is a medium number 1 and this is a medium 2, medium number 2. This is the incident light ray. This is called incident light ray. And this ray reflected back, this is called reflected light ray. Reflected light ray. We always draw a normal to the surface. This is normal. This is normal. Where this normal is drawn? Incidence point. This is a incidence point. Incidence point. This is the basic theory. If any light ray which is coming on the reflecting surface, after striking the reflecting surface, it goes to the same medium and reflected through a angle, then this reflected light is called reflected light ray, and this light ray which is coming towards the reflecting surface is called incident light ray, and this the point where the incident light ray strikes, that is called incidence point. These are the basic terminology which we are using in the light. Now there are various types of, but actually this phenomena is not occurring 100%. Here where the reflection is occurs, reflection is also occurs there. If 90% reflection is occur, then we can also say that 10% reflection is also there, because this is a form of energy. Some energy is bouncing back and some energy is also transmitting in the medium number. This is the basic funda where the incident light ray having the energy, some part of energy is reflected and some part of energy is transmitted to the medium. Hence we can say that if the energy is sending to the reflecting medium, some of the energy is in the reflection form and some of the energy in the transmitting form. This is the transmit energies. So we can say that 100% reflection is not there, 90% reflection is occurs, then we can say that 10% refraction or transmission process is also taking place in this type of